Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Samia and I do all things DIY. A few months ago, I took on a major project of remodeling my mom's master bathroom with no prior experience, and let's just say it hasn't been a walk in the park. After weeks of waiting on a new tub to come in, I was finally able to install the tub last week. In this week's video, I will be installing my floor tiles and preparing to install my towel in my shower by installing my cement board and waterproofing my shower walls. So let's get started. I'm starting off today's video with building my niche, and I'm pre-building my niche like on its own. I'm not buying a pre-built one. I looked into it, but it was really it was expensive, more expensive than building it myself. And honestly, I had all the materials to build this one, so why not? So I'm using some 2x4s and a 3/4 of an inch piece of plywood. Now this is all leftover material from previous projects, and I just cut it to the size of the studs, my studs opening. So I didn't want to cut into my studs. I felt like that would have been more work, so this was like the perfect size, and I just cut it and installed it. I did use nails, and some parts I used screws. Alright y'all, so since my tub is installed and it's good, I am about to start installing my cement board. I have my shower niche installed right behind me. So I'm using cement board, and then I'm going to waterproof it to install. I think it's pretty late already tonight, so I'm going to start tonight and finish up in the morning. I'm just going to start on this back wall and cut out my hole for my shower niche. Is it niche or niche? I like niche. Maybe it's niche. Regardless of the fact, I'm going to go ahead and get this installed and then move forward. I'm also really confused about my little water thing right here. It doesn't have much rotation. It's like that. I don't know if I like that. So I might end up getting a new handle or knob for my drain, my tub. Right here, I am cutting open my hole for my shower valve, and I am using my oscillating tool because I know you can cut it with a knife, but I'm just not that great all the time with cutting it with a knife. So this was much easier. It did have dust, so you can see me with my vacuum just vacuuming the dust, and I also have on a mask so I won't breathe in any of the cement board dust, because you're not supposed to breathe it in. So make sure that you take your precautions to do that. Now also, when I cut my hole, I just used like a little bit and I drilled a hole. It was very easy, so I'm just showing you all the tricks that I kind of do to cut my holes or my openings. Waterproofing is a major part in a shower. You have to make sure that it is fully waterproof, that no water can get into the walls behind the towel. So right now I'm just filling in all my holes for my screws and all my gaps, just where the joints meet. So I'm going to put some tape down, and then I'm using cement board tape. Then I'm going to use my mortar and just fill in all those gaps. After I do that, I'm going to waterproof it with a waterproofing membrane. I'm using the brand Aqua Defense from Lowe's, so I just use that and you paint it on. I painted on a couple of layers of it, and then it dries like a rubbery material, so it waterproofs your shower. So after this, my shower is fully ready to be toweled. And here is what my Aqua Defense looked like once it dried on the walls. Hey guys, just popping in. Right now I am switching gears from my toweling my shower to installing my floors. I did waterproof it, so right now I'm just going to switch over and towel my floors really quick before I start toweling the shower. I am waiting on something for the shower, so that's why I'm going to switch gears, and it's only going to take me a day or two to install these floors. So let's go ahead and install them. I'm installing a porcelain towel. It gives off a marble effect, so let's go ahead and get those installed. I am using the Schluter mortar. I had it left over when I applied my Schluter Dytra on the ground, so I decided to just use it for my towel install, and I am just laying it on the ground. Now this was like the easiest part so far of this whole bathroom, and it just gave me a break from the tub, so it actually just kind of gave me a little boost of confidence with this makeover, because y'all, I've been going through it the last few weeks. Now I have installed towels before, but never on a floor. I did it in the laundry room makeover, and I installed it on a wall, the large format towels. So this was kind of easy for me because I kind of knew a little bit. It was just going on the floor instead of a wall. So I will upload a video on how to install towels later down the road. So if you want a more detailed video, it'll be coming out soon. So I actually pre-cut my towels before I installed the floors, and as you can see, my towel saw is acting up on me. I've been experiencing problems, and I think the issue is it's not dispensing the water like it should. So I ordered a new part. It's actually delaying my project a little bit, so I'm hoping to get the part very soon. So this is me coming in the next day and just knocking out my spacers so I can go ahead and grout my lines. I am using a white grout and it looks so good, but I just knocked this out with a hammer. It actually breaks off from the bottom. And this is how the floors turned out, guys. They are so beautiful, and just I haven't even got to clean them yet, so they're gonna be even more white once I get to do that. But I'm waiting until I finish with all the dust in the bathroom and everything like that. But guys, that is all for today's video. We are nearing the end of this makeover and I cannot be more excited. Next week we'll be tiling the shower and installing a toilet and all the things, so make sure you come back next week for the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a huge thumbs up and I'll see you all next week. Bye.